So my first question is, what's going on with the binoculars, man?
Okay, with the
We
binoculars,
looking for
man.
lot lizards or what?
When I get... I got a 55-inch TV.
Tell them.
I got a 12-inch memory foam.
Tell them.
I got a the biggest refrigerator you can get. And I got wooden floors that heats up.
Wooden floors that heat up.
Because of the engine on the bottom, it heats up my floor, man. And I didn't have to pay extra for that.
Yeah. Because for a second, I'm loving this right here. So, you know, for the people that wear masks, right?
Or stay 6 feet away from me, man.
Look,
So
back off.
I told the cop that. He wasn't happy.
Yeah?
Yeah, a New York cop comes up and he knocks on my door.
Yeah.
I put the window down. About that far. I said, you need to back up 6 feet. He's like, what do you mean? I said, y'all made the law. Social distancing.
I love that.
Back up 6 feet. He's not in the middle of traffic. I said, you should have thought about that before you pulled me over.
There you go.
I love that. So,
Gotta
hey,
use
if
that.
DOT, if anything like that pulls you over in the New York area,
6 feet, man. Go back 6 feet, my man. You know, actually go back another 2 more feet just to be more safe.
hey, I love that. I love that. I love that.
It's a little dirty, man, but the inside I got it nice and clean, man.
Let's check it
So-
out. We'll jump in. Jump in on the
dude.
other side.
Looks like a pimp mobile.
He's pimping, man.
Oh, crap.
So my first question is, what's going on with the binoculars, man?
Okay, with the
We
binoculars,
looking for
man.
lot lizards or what?
When I get stuck in traffic, man, sometimes, you know, I want to see 2-3 miles out to see what's going on. And this is what tells me what's going on.
I heard that.
So, you know,
What about the CB radio?
CB radio, I have it right here.
Yeah.
I just took the cord out because I'm going on vacation for about 15 days.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to make it look, you know, look pretty. So when I get back, it's all good, man.
So
You know?
binoculars and CB radio, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes,
I
sir.
love that. Man, you got tigers in here?
Oh, yeah, man. This is Tiger 1 and Tiger 2.
Yeah.
Because they call me El Tigre. That means, you know, I'm the tiger, man. I'm un tigre, man.
Ah, man,
So
you probably
I
get
gotta-
all the
I
ladies,
gotta
man.
represent, man. I gotta represent, man.
Hey.
You know? But, hey, man, I painted this all blue, man. Home Depot, man, with a can of paint pen. With a can of paint, man. I do all the work myself, man.
I love it. I love it.
Check out the floor, man.
What the hell kind of trick guy was that? Automatic.
Automatic. Hey, man, because I saved my leg, man. My knee, no problem, man. I just move with my right leg. Because, you know, when you're shifting, man, you know, you got to shift with your leg and all that. All I got to put is on drive, and it drives itself, man.
There it is. I love it, man. See, whatever you give him, he gives it back to you.
Yeah.
I love it. We got wood floors.
Yep, wood floors. And I'm going to show you my system in a few minutes, man. But I did this all work myself, man.
Really?
Everything, man.
It feels like home. It
Yeah.
feels like home.
Definitely,
Check it
man.
out. Look at this.
And
Dang, you got a bike to match?
Oh, yeah, because I'm a cyclist. They still call me the Rocket. So this is my $2,500 mountain bike. It's a Trek. And then right behind it, man, I have a Specialized 18 pounds, man. You can literally pick it up with your finger, man. And that's about $2,000, man. So,
Hey, yeah.
you know, and then I got my little gold chain, man. My little gold chain, man. You know?
I love it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
So I ride my bike, man, you know, on the weekends, man. So, you know, whenever I can, man.
To me, like you need a job. You're spending too much time in the bunk watching TV and shit.
Hey, man. 55-inch TV.
55 inch.
Sony TV, 4K, smart TV, man.
Bigger is better sometimes.
Everything through my phone, man. This is a smart inverter fridge. What that means is that you know, it'll stay cool, and once it gets to a temperature, it'll drop down, and then once it gets warm, it'll kick up again. So that saves you energy, man.
That's cool. Look at that. That's a big old fridge.
Holy crap.
Big ass fridge, man.
This is the biggest fridge I've ever
The
seen.
biggest fridge, my man, that you can get, my man.
biggest in America. I love it. I love it.
That's my flag. That's my wife, Dominican. She's Dominican, man. I'm going to DR tomorrow, man, for about 15 days, man.
Enjoy yourself.
Definitely, man.
I love it, man. This is home.
And my little dresser, you know.
Man, you got a
You
dresser
know?
in here.
I got a dresser. How many people don't have dresses, man? A dresser like this, man.
You got a dresser in here.
Nobody, man.
55 inch TV. A tall ass refrigerator.
12 inches of mattress.
That's thick, baby.
And now for the best part, man, check out this system that I got
Put
out
up,
here.
put
The
up.
odds, man.
2,000 watts. All right, let's hear it. It's vibrating.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's cool. I appreciate you. Yeah. So what's this money? What's that about?
Cause I'm gonna take this down to DR and give it to my wife, man. So I tell her, this is the money that I'm making, man. $100 an hour.
$100 an hour?
Yeah.
We got the dresser, we got the microwave, we got the Tigers, and then I got the binoculars.
And the speaker system, and we got the bikes.
Yeah, and then what's this?
And the 55-inch.
I like the whips.
Oh man, this is the 1987 Buick Grand National. This was the fastest production made car back. It beat out the Corvette back in '86.
Yeah, man. Shout out to anyone.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. No, man. That's it, man. Yo, anybody that remembers me from New York, the Rocket 82. What's up, man? I'm still here. I'm still living, and I'm still in shape, my man.
Hey.
I got the six-pack going on.
Hey, that's what's up. I appreciate you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It ain't stirring up nothing. Hey, look, we're smiling, we're having a good time.
Yes,
Introduce
sir.
yourself, sir.
Hey, my name is Jose, aka the Rocket from New York.
Hey, I love it, man.
Yes.
And we know Clarence, he's been on the show, car hauler. Now, you just said, you're proud of your Volvo, and I saw it.
I am.
And you should be proud of what you drive.
I am.
And then you started talking a little ish. And so my question is, what's wrong with you Pete lovers, man?
We don't have to worry about falling out our window because it's so big.
You this guy. No, but honest truth is, why do people like to kind of joke around with guys that drive Volvos at time? What is your real thoughts behind it?
It's just part of having fun, that's all.
Yeah, Volvo, they said it's the most comfortable truck out there, man. Very comfortable. It's like driving a motor coach. It's so comfortable.
I hear that too, though.
It's
It's going to be more comfortable than the Pete any day of the week. I'll guarantee you that.
Okay, that came out of his mouth. I like that.
yeah.
I'll be honest, man. Pete is a, they say Peter built a truck for a man to drive. Peter built a truck for a prick to drive, because when we get into that steering wheel and that Pete, we become literally pricks.
But we all joke and fun. Honestly, Clarence actually likes Freightliners too.
Yep. I'll take a Freightliner over Pete any day of the week. It'll outride. Peterbilt and Kenworth, the W9, beautiful trucks. You can't take that away from them. There ain't a better looking truck out here.
And you own a lot of those type of trucks.
And the Freightliner's the truck. It'll outride. The Peterbilt, you sit there. If you're a tall guy, it's like you ain't got no leg room with the seat all the way back. The Western Star, I can sit there, put my feet all the way out, and not even touch a firewall. The Freightliner, I can put my feet all. There's just, Peterbilt gives you all this room in the big fancy bunk, but nothing up front where you're spending 90% of your time.
Hey, we got some truth. I like that. I appreciate that.
I can't compete with that, man. But I love my Volvo, man.
Yeah, I know. When they say comfortable,
yes.
How long you been trucking, brother?
I've been doing 12 years.
12 years?
12 years.
So,
yes.
12 years, people say, how do you stay comfortable on the road? And we're going to find out today, huh?
Oh, yes, definitely.
All right, Clarence, you seem to make fun of everybody I interview. Is there anything or anyone that you actually like?
Yeah, Route 19 truck service.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Out of all things you like?
Yes.
What? Why?
Because I met them like 15 years ago on a whim because my AC went down on me. I spent the night in this truck stop parking lot. Next morning I went around back to the shop. They took care of me instantly. The price was right, the work was great, the time was great.
Did they pay you to say this?
No, and I've been with them. I stop there just about every week, getting
Awesome,
something
man.
done.
So you actually do like somebody?
Yes.
Or something?
That
You're a human being.
Route 19 truck stop. It's on US 19 in Mount Nebo, in between 77 and 75 or 79.
Gotcha.
There's the restaurant there in front. It has nothing to do with the garage.
Yeah.
But the food is great. The price is right. You won't leave there hungry, guaranteed.
I like that.
The showers, $5 for a shower. They're clean. They're big. They're roomy. It ain't like some of these crappers,
I heard that, man. Well, I appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
What up? We'll shake. Look.
There you go.
There it is. No, that's good.